Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to withdraw BNB from Revolut to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how crucial it is to move your assets securely, especially with the latest updates making things even smoother. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring BNB like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have BNB in your Revolut account. Open the Revolut app and head to your crypto section. Double-check your balance. If it's not there, you might need to buy or transfer BNB first. Now, for the Phantom side, ensure you've got the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or browser extension set up. If you're new, download it from the official site and create a wallet. Remember, in 2025, Phantom has enhanced security features, so enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're set, open Phantom and generate a new deposit address for BNB. It's usually under the Receive or Deposit tab. Copy that address carefully, as it's your key to success. Head back to Revolut, go to your BNB holdings, and select the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address, paste it in, double-check for any typos, and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Revolut might ask for a confirmation code or additional verification, so keep an eye on your phone. After you confirm, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, it should be quicker than ever. Once it's done, check your Phantom wallet to see your BNB has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your crypto more flexibly. If you run into any issues, like network fees or compatibility problems, Revolut's support or Phantom's help center is your best friend. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.